Huawei P40 Pro 4K 60 FPS video sample, strong light, see how it comes with that.
Daddy, look what I'm doing.
Yes, that's very good. Alright, some more testing, this time with the zoom capabilities here on the P40 Pro. Shooting at 4K 30 FPS, we can use all of the lenses. If you shoot at 60 FPS, you can't. So this is the wide angle lens. Let's just take it forward to 1x zoom, in which case it takes into the primary lens. Keep it going with that handy little slider. This is 2x zoom, 3x zoom, and then up to 5x zoom. So looking relatively crisp. That stabilisation is pretty damn good. Keep it going up. Now we've ticked into the telephoto lens at the 6x zoom level. As you see, everything is nice and crisp. Some really good footage there. Keep it going. 7x zoom, 9x zoom. Oh, we've gone all the way up to 15x zoom now. That seems to be the maximum level for shooting video. It's got some really nice up close shots. Still looking pretty crisp, but that stabilisation is working really, really well. Better than it was on the standard P40. So, testing the image stabilisation now on the Huawei P40 Pro. This is full HD video shot at 30 frames per second. Now it's full HD video shot at 60 frames per second. I've bumped it on up to 4K resolution footage at 30 frames per second. And finally 4K Ultra HD at 60 FPS, that maximum setting. Certainly on the display, seems nice and smooth. So we'll see how it looks when we get it back on the big screen. And now a bit of background blur, which I'm not entirely sure that's well. There we go, I've got a bit of blur action on the go now. You're showing off your belly, you cheeky monkey.
I know.
Can you see me in colour?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm colour and everything else is in black and white?
No,
I'm actually basically just wearing black and I'm very pale, so you probably can't even tell.
This.
Suspense. Suspense. It means like, oh my gosh! Yeah, the whole thing's closed. All of the shops are closed.
Yeah, all of them.
All of them. Everything is shut down because of the virus.
Yeah.
Not a single one open. It's very spooky. Okay, so getting a bit of night video on the go here on the Huawei P40 Pro. It's very dark out here, just a small spotlight lighting up the garden. So seeing how natural these colours are coming through. They look pretty good on the screen. I think it certainly looks brighter on the display than it does actually to the naked eye. And hopefully picking up on the absolutely massacred face on this thing. And now shooting the same scene with the ultra wide angle lens as well. Again, looks nice and bright on the display. Those colours seem to be coming through quite natural. Close up on that rather creepy face. And now a very tricky scene here for the Huawei P40 Pro, an HDR scene at night, as we've got a lit candle next to that same bunch of flowers. And so far, touch wood, looking pretty good here on the display. Those colours are coming through again quite naturally. Plenty of detail despite the low light, and that candle isn't completely overblown, so that's something. And then shooting again using that ultra wide angle lens, and again similar sort of results. Again pretty bright, brighter than I can actually make out with the naked eye, and nice colours. And again, candle not crazy saturated,